Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can enable the reading pane or reading mode in your Gmail inbox in 2026. So let us get started. So guys, navigate to your Gmail inbox, and here to the right next to the list of emails inside my inbox you see that a reading view of the selected email, and you can enable this, for example, to see the selected email content here to the right, and also still keep access to your list here so that you may use it like a reading mode on Google Chrome, for example. This is how you can enable that mode. So you will need to access your inbox settings by clicking into that gear icon in the top right and by selecting See All Settings. Now inside your inbox settings, switch from the General tab to Inbox, and here scroll down till you get to the reading pane, and here simply enable it here and select the position like below your inbox, right to the inbox like the way I am using it right now, or no split at all. And don't forget to click into Save Changes so that you may see the changes here in your inbox, guys. And that's it. And there you go. As you can see, the reading pane has been removed, or that panel here to the right. That's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.